Going there.
Yeah, stop.
How did they get up here from Iowa?
They drove.
It's hot. It is.
Real talk.
It's
It's
hot.
my car.
It's hot. It's hot and cold.
Pineapple juice.
Like if we rolled down that bitch, we'd be rolling for like 20 minutes.
Like, just. Would you just look at it? And we just soak it in. Real nice.
Landslide!
Awesome. Oh. She's purring like a kitten.
Nice.
Sounds so good.
So, this looks sketchy as hell. Yeah, coming down's not fun. Like, this looks scary. Use that arm building muscles for Camry. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
I'm curious about that shit. Oh yes.
But we can go up Cinnamon all the time. It's really pretty.
Yes! Puddle City! Woo! A nice brook.
Driving down the river. Driving down. Get ready, Devin, for Motormania.
Oh, I should have gotten out of the car and gotten photos.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do right now.
Okay, great.
Right! Hello.
Oh, I called it right in the moment. That fucking arse. Oh, so many rocks.
You know, they really need to come out here and pave this road.
This is unacceptable.
Fuck.
Marmot!
Marmot!
Get out of the way! He looks up.
What's he doing?
He's digging.
He's digging. Don't give an ass.
He is not impressed.
Ooh, I didn't want this. Ooh, didn't want this. I don't like this. Let's go straight. There we go. Much.
Better? Woo! Jesus.
It's so rough. Hitch tap. Can someone film from down there? Because this might be cool and interesting.
I
and
shall.
the car possibly could break.
You're good.
Do whatever you'd like, sir. Well, I'm not in the front. I can't stick this out the window very easily. Ooh, look at that big rock that was not there before.
Ooh.
You got about 1.5 feet. Hi, caramba. Keep going. Ow! That hurt. You fucking asshole.
Sorry, it popped out of gear. That way. I can't see. Here. Get it. Go ahead and get out and tell me where I am.
So hold the fucking camera. The fucking camera.
See that fucking. There.
God damn, that fucking hurt my head.
I'm not even going. It's going by itself. I don't like it. I don't like. Oh, I knew it'd be fine the entire time.
What?
I knew it'd be fine the entire time. I wasn't scared. So where'd you guys like to eat in your Ray?
A place with food.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. I want a burger. That sounds good.
Yeah, nice burger.
Nice burger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. What?
Oh, I'm over it. I just want off of this ride. What the hell? Up on the rocks. What is my friend? Up on the rocks. We're not going to end over end.
Could have just said we're not going to end up dead, but you know.
Lainey, I wanted your rhyme input.
I just want food.
I know. I'm starting to get angry.
I think we all are.
I've tried.
Yeah! I guess he's shit, Devin.
Why are you blaming me?
Because you're sitting right
Just
there.
keep going. You're fine.
Oh! Get in the chopper!
Get in the chopper! Yeah!
Getting up it was easier than coming down it, especially when you have some dumbass park you on a fucking top of a rock.
Dude, if you would have come down the other side,
Yeah, I
you
probably
would have
would've
you would have either toppled the car or you'd have gotten way more stuck than you were. And it was literally just because the tires are slightly wet and slippery. A bug just fucking flew in my mouth.
Rap!
Oh God.
Yes! I want to do it again.
You just made those people's day.
Oh, I know. It's just the fact that
They were all fucking laughing, and then they're like, I don't think they realized that you were actually going up that hill, and they're all just like laughing hysterically. They're like, oh my God, this guy.
yeah, those guys can be like, and then this fucking Subaru comes across top and up and down. He went through the middle. Like, he's gonna be so excited.
They're all so happy. They were all filming it too.
Oh, nice, good. I like as I'm going down, it's going pop, 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 pop. Like that's that, like that.
Oh yeah, oh fuck, oh yeah.
Oh,
No, I did.
wow, that got washed out. No.
Yikes.
Yeah, that's wow, dude. That was the road.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, I packed a little bit. I just floored it.
We all get back there and they're like, yeah, road's closed, it's washed out. And we're like, no shit.
Oh my God.
Good God.
Good golly gracious, that is a lot of.
That was a lot of water.
And then all the rock slide here. Can you imagine being like
Oh my God, if you were coming down this,
coming up this?
you should probably check that gully and make sure that nobody's down there.
Who needs a shower?
Driving to
Yikes!
Splish splash.
Nothing happens.
Can I get a whoop whoop, Forrester?
Whoop whoop.
Want to have some food? Yes.
When I get some food.
Jesus Christ.
Uh-oh. That's not narrow enough. No, I mean, I have a narrow car. I think it's the way we're looking at it.
I think it's what we're looking.
I think when we were coming up, it looked a lot better.
That is pretty. Oh, the drop. Oh, the drop. The drop is so fucking awesome. Look at that drop.
It's not at all dangerous to
No,
drive
it's
while
not
you're filming.
dangerous at all. I'm watching the road. I'm not watching the film. So I've been down this little section before. I really don't feel like doing it right now because I'm hungry. This trail has been on my videos like I think like 4 times in 4 different videos. So I always end up coming down this trail to go to your raid. Scrumdiddlyumptious.
Views.
Key lime pie shake.
I was gonna say views.
Oh, the views are to die for. Literally, we almost died.
Yes.
I see the highway.
come on closer just a little bit longer, then we can get some food. Don't make that sound. Oh.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Freaking rains, dude.
Holy shit.
Ow!
Got a skull, Sonny.
Right in the brain. Well, it'd been nice if someone was filming this part of it. The part I'm actually fucking my car up on. Jesus, the whole road's washed out.
Okay.
Why can't I just straddle this?
Oh, you're in the ditch now. Oh. That was a big rock.
Yeah! Woohoo! Let's do this, bitchos.
We're gonna show up on the highway and all these construction workers will be like, where the fuck did you come from?
The whole road is washed out. Look at this.
Wow.
We came up this is all flat.
I know. This was fine.
This was the easiest part of the whole thingamajig. I mean, I think they'll let me.
I think
We're hungry.
I know.
We're hungrier than they are. Green. Green. Oh, thank you.